Bienvenidos! Welcome to today's Spanish lesson. My name is Octavio. I'm from Argentina and I will be your teacher in this everyday Spanish course. Today we'll be learning the basic expressions of the Spanish language, as well as basic vocabulary and structures. We'll have a great time. Join me and I guarantee you will learn my language. I'd recommend you to watch the whole video while writing down all the new expressions I'll be teaching you. Also, if possible, I recommend you to use audiphones in order to listen carefully everything I say. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing we'll learn is the alphabet. Spanish and Turkish alphabet are quite similar. Let's check it out. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent. Once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That was perfect. Now, let's picture the next situation. You enter a room full of Spanish-speaking people. What's the most common thing to say? That is, hola, ¿cómo están? Hola, ¿cómo están? This means, hi, how are you? Repeat after me. Hola, ¿cómo están? Excellent. Once again, a little bit quicker, okay? Hola, ¿cómo están? Neat. Okay, this last sentence, it is only when you say hello to a group of people, to more than one person, okay? Now, if you want to say hello just to one person, the thing to say is hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Which also translates to hi, how are you? Repeat after me. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Excellent. A little bit quicker this time. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Great. Let's continue. The most common answer to this question is yo estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Yo estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? This translates to I'm fine, thank you. What about you? Okay, repeat after me. Yo estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Excellent. Once again, a little bit quicker, okay? Yo estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? A pretty common thing to ask somebody new, somebody who you just have met, it is of course his or her name, right? This in Spanish is asked with the next question. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Repeat after me. ¿Cómo te llamas? Excellent. Once again. A little bit quicker, of course. ¿Cómo te llamas? Pretty good, excellent. The most common way to answer this question in Spanish is by saying yo me llamo, in my case, Octavio. Yo me llamo Octavio. Okay? The structure is yo me llamo, my name is, okay? Repeat after me and say your name. Yo me llamo. Excellent. Once again, a little bit quicker. Yo me llamo. That's a cool name. I like it. Another pretty common way to say hello in Spanish, depending on the moment of the day, of course, it is, for example, buenos días. If it is in the morning, of course. Buenos días means good morning. Repeat after me. Buenos días. Excellent. Once again. Buenos días. Neat. Now, if it is in the afternoon, you have to say buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. This, of course, means good afternoon. Repeat after me. Buenas tardes. Once again, buenas tardes. Excellent. If it is in the night, you have to say buenas noches. Buenas noches. Repeat after me. Buenas noches. Once again, buenas noches. Excellent. Okay, now we know the alphabet, how to say hello, how to ask somebody's name, and what to answer in these situations, okay? Let's now continue. A pretty common thing to ask, it is where the person we are talking to is from, okay? In Spanish, you can ask this with the next question. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? This translates to where are you from? Okay? Repeat after me. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Excellent. Once again, a little bit faster. ¿De dónde eres? Neat. I like it. Now, the most common way to answer this question in Spanish is by using the next structure. Yo soy de and the name of your country. In my case, yo soy de Argentina. Okay? Now, you, of course, will have to say yo soy de Turquía. Okay? Repeat after me. Yo soy de Turquía. Excellent. Once again, just faster. Yo soy de Turquía. Neat. Congratulations. Let's now review what we have just learned by reading this conversation between Juan and Miguel. Let's read it. Juan. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Miguel. Yo estoy bien, gracias. ¿Cómo te llamas? Yo me llamo Juan. ¿Y tú? Yo me llamo Miguel. ¿De dónde eres? Yo soy de México. ¿Y tú? Yo soy de España. Okay guys, I hope you liked this first lesson. Of course, this is just a very basic beginning, but I've actually enjoyed a lot while making this video, and if you rate positively, be sure to be receiving new videos soon. I've been Octavio, and goodbye. Adios.